Okay, our lesson for today is all about fractions, on how to add and subtract mixed numbers with dissimilar fractions o magkaiba ang denominators. Okay, first recall muna natin what is fraction. It is a ratio of two numbers and we have the parts of fraction. For example, 3 over 7. 3 is what we call the numerator and 7 is what we call the denominator. And we have types of fraction. Okay, we have the proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed number. And we have the example, proper fraction example, we have 1, 8, 3, 11, 5, 7, 10, 13. Okay, example of proper fraction. And then example of improper fraction, we have 6 over 4, 9 over 2, 15 over 8, 10 over 3. Okay, and then example of mixed number, we have 3 and 2/5, 2 and 1/3, 5 and 3/7. Okay, and magpo-focus tayo sa mixed number and the proper fraction. Okay, so i-discuss ko or tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-add ng mixed number with the similar fraction. Okay, so this is how to add mixed numbers with the similar fractions or magkaiba ang denominators. Okay, so recall muna natin what is similar fractions. Similar fractions, same denominators. Example, 1 over 8, 5 over 8, 3 over 8, 7 over 8. So, magkakapareho sila ng denominators. While the similar fractions, different denominators o magkakaiba ng denominators. Example, we have 2 over 5, 7 over 9, 3 over 8, 1 over 4. Okay, so i-discuss natin ngayon ang dissimilar fractions or addition ng mixed numbers with the similar fractions. Okay, let's continue. Okay, example number 1. 4 and 2/5 plus 1 and 1/3. It is equal to. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, yung dalawang proper fraction natin, which is 2 over 5 and 1 over 3, ay magkaiba ng denominator. Okay, dissimilar fraction. So, ang gagawin po natin is to rewrite vertically. It becomes 4 and 2/5 plus 1 and 1/3. Okay? And then, after that, find the LCD. Kukunin natin yung least common denominator kasi magkaiba sila ng denominator. Kailangan pareho sila ng denominator. So, find their equivalent fractions. So, ang denominator natin na 5 and 3. And then, find the LCM or the least common multiple. So, the multiple of 5, we have 5, 10, 15, 20. And the multiple of 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, and then pipiliin natin yung least common multiple, yung pinaka malapit na magkapareho sila ng multiple, which is 15. So, yan yung magiging LCD natin or the least common denominator, 15. Okay, so the next step, we have 4 and 2/5 plus 1 and 1/3. Then, get the equivalent fraction. The equivalent fraction is 4. And we have the denominator 15 over 15. Okay, pinalitan natin yung denominator natin na 5, ginawang 15. Denominator na 3, ginawang 15. Okay, and then, i-rewrite natin yung mga numerator, which is 2. And then, 15 divided by 5 is 3. Yun yung i-multiply natin sa numerator. So, magiging 2 times 3. Okay, next. 1 and 1/3, it becomes 1 and rewrite natin yung numerator na 1. And then 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So, yun yung i-multiply natin sa numerator na 1. Okay, so next step, simplify. So, we have 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. And then, copy the denominator, 15. Plus, copy the whole number 1. And then, we multiply 1 times 5 equals 5. And then, copy the denominator, 15. Okay, so pareho na sila ng denominator. And then, the next one, i-add natin ang whole number. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then, add the numerator. 6 plus 5 equals 11. And then, copy the common denominator, 15. So, our final answer is 5 and 11 over 15. Okay, ngayon naman tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-subtract ng mixed numbers with the similar fractions o magkaiba ang denominators. Okay, we have an example number 1. 4 and 5 over 6 minus 3 and 2 over 7 equals, ayan. So, observe natin yung dalawang proper fraction natin, which is 5 over 6 and 2 over 7. Okay, magkaiba sila ng denominator. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, first step is to rewrite vertically. Okay, so we have 4 and 5 over 6 minus 3 and 2 over 7. Okay, and then the next step is to find the LCD. Okay, to find the LCD, we have to find the LCM of 6 and 7, or the least common multiple of 6 and 7. Okay, and the next multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Multiple of 7, we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and 42. To find the LCD, pipiliin natin kung saan yung common multiple nila, yung pinakamalapit na common multiple, which is 42. Okay, so yung 42 na yan yung gagawin nating least common denominator or LCD. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, 4 and 5 over 6 minus 3 and 2 over 7. And then, get the equivalent fraction. We have 4. And then, yung denominator na 6, palitan natin ng 42. And then, we have 3. Denominator na 7, palitan natin ng denominator na 42, which is the LCD. Okay, and then the next one, okay, kakopy natin yung numerator na 5, and then, i-divide natin yung 42 divided by 6. The answer is 7. So, yun yung i-multiply natin doon sa 5 na numerator natin. So, magiging 5 times 7. Okay, the next step is, we have now the whole number 3, and then, the numerator is 2. I-rewrite natin yung numerator na 2, and then, divide natin. 42 divided by 7, the answer is 6. Yun yung i-multiply natin doon sa numerator na 2. So, we have 2 times 6. Okay, and then next, we simplify. Okay, we have 4, the whole number. 5 times 7 is 35, and then copy the denominator, 42. Minus, the whole number 3, and then, the numerator, 2 times 6 is 12. And then, copy the denominator, 42. And then, the next step is, isusubtract natin yung whole number. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Then, 35 minus 12 is 20. And then, copy the common denominator, 42. Final answer now is 1 and 23 over 42. Okay, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to share. And click the bell on para ma-notify po kayo sa next upload. Thank you.